I've got a calibration tile set out here facing north, and it's on a flat surface where I can get a good sample of sunlight. The part that we're taking a picture of is that gray reference material in there, and so we want to make sure that's clean and doesn't have any dust on it, and it's in good shape, always protected and covered. That's why they make those covers. I've loaded my mission here, and what I'm going to do is click in the lower left-hand corner to get the image that the drone is seeing, so I can see what the video feed is showing. And I want to set my camera to take a picture. So on the right-hand side, you can select whether it's a video or whether it's a picture. I'm making sure that it's on photo and single. There's also, you can set the desired focus level on it, and there's a mountain and a little flower. You want to click on that flower because we're really close up to it and we're trying to get a good picture. And to rotate that camera down, you have to make it look down. You don't want to hold your drone looking straight down because you want to have a flat reading on your sunlight sensor. So we're going to rotate this camera down. You can see it go down right there. And now I'm ready to take my picture. I'm going to hold on to the drone here on the belly, and we're going to orient right over the top of this panel. You can see it in your picture here, and then I can just click with my finger, one picture, and maybe I'll take 2 pictures to make sure that I get a good one.